Magandang araw sa inyo guys, welcome back ulit sa ating channel. At sa video na to, update lang tayo sa PBA team standings as of April 30, 2024. So nauna dyan, number 1 sa standings ang still undefeated na San Miguel Beermen with 9 wins and 0 loss. So 9 game winning streak sila. Pangalawa naman dyan ang Barangay Ginebra with 7 wins and 3 losses. So 4 game winning streak ng Ginebra guys. Pangatlo naman dyan ang NLEX Road Warriors. Triple tie sila guys ng TNT Tropang Giga at Magnolia Chicken Templados Hot Shots sa 3, 4, and 5 spot with 5 wins and 4 losses. Okay. Pang-anim naman dyan ang Rain or Shine Lasso Painters with 5 wins and 5 losses. Tabla sila. Triple tie din sila guys ng Meralco Balls at Tirafirma Jeep with 5 wins and 5 losses sa 6, 7, and 8 spot. And then nasa pang-siyam naman na pwesto ang Northport Batang Pier with 5 wins and 6 losses. Pang-sampu naman ang Blackwater Bossing with 3 wins and 6 losses. Pang-11 naman sa standings ang Phoenix Super LPG Fuel Masters with 3 wins and 7 losses. At panghuli sa standings ang Converge Fiber Xers with 1 win and 9 losses. Okay, so yun lang yung updated team standings natin yun guys as of April 30, 2024. Maraming salamat sa panonood.